Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another recipe video of what I'm going to make my brother for lunch for school today. Like, you guess what this is? I will be making some shrimp scampi. Yes, shrimp scampi. I got the spaghettis. These are the shorter ones. They're much better for school lunches compared to the long ones. So that's what I'm using. Spaghetti, some shrimp, garlic, butter, green onions, and some lime. So this is really quick and easy. I'm just gonna show you guys the seasoning that I will be using on it. It really doesn't take long at all. And these are the seasoning I will be using. Not too much. I was gonna put garlic powder, but you really wouldn't need a garlic powder since the sauce is gonna be with garlic anyways. So some parsley, ground pepper, MST, pink salt, and crushed red peppers. And this is what I'm gonna use. So let me get started right away. And yeah, now I'll show you guys step by step. First thing you want to get started with is the spaghetti, of course. Put the spaghetti in the pot. Put water, salt, a little bit of oil. Let me show you. Just like every other pasta dishes, you make sure put the water on the stove, let the water get hot. Okay, do not be putting pasta in cold water and putting it on the stove. Is you cool? Like, what's up? 105? Exactly. Actually, did I say lime or lemon? I think I'm retarded because I don't remember saying lemon. But yeah, that's not new. Yeah, the lemon, second. You're gonna cut the lemon and slice your onions. And the shrimp has skin on it, so I'm just gonna remove the skin from on the shrimp. It's not gonna be a lot of shrimp because this dish requires a lot of shrimp, but I don't really have that much. But we're gonna do with what we have with, okay? Fuck that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Now that my water is boiling, I don't know if that's a teaspoon or tablespoon, whatever spoon it is. It's a spoon of oil. I put it in here, you know, and then I'm gonna add some salt. Jesus. You can measure it if you want. I just got smacked by my ancestor in the back of my head. That's how I know it's enough. And now it's boiling. I'm gonna throw in the pasta. And there goes the pasta. I didn't put too much. I did not break it. So don't come for me. I didn't break it. That's how the pasta look. It's very short. It's the very short kind. That's what I use. That's why it looks like this. I do not break pasta, okay? So Italianos, leave me alone, yeah? I didn't have whyi in my fridge, so I'm gonna use some of it in the dish as well. Also, I was kind of ashamed to name this dish a shrimp scampi because it doesn't really have enough shrimp to be considered a shrimp dish. I really thought I had enough for this, but I didn't. So I decided I'm gonna add some bacon to it to like hype up the meal a little bit. Yeah. And next time I will make a shrimp dish that's all shrimp. A shrimp scampi that is considered to be a shrimp dish of all shrimp. And since I decided to add some shrimp in here, some bacon in here, the first thing I'm doing is frying out the bacon in the pan. So in the same pan, I'm going to make the sauce and everything in the exact same frying pan with the bacon juice as well. And now for the oldest trick in the book, see where my pasta is cooked. This is what I did. Ow, that's hot. Hello? Give me a second. Okay, let me show you. You see to know if your pasta is cooked. It is sticking to my hand, but most importantly, it sticks to that. If it can stick on the wall, that means it's done. So I'm just gonna remove the water from on it now and get started with the sauce. None of my bacon is done. I just put it on here to get cool because I'm gonna chop it up later. So I'm just gonna get started on the shrimp now. And now I just fry my shrimp in the bacon grease. I'm gonna remove this and put the sauce. And for the sauce, I put a decent amount of butter in here. Yes, I mixed it up with the bacon oil. And it's gonna add a handful of shrimp. A handful of garlic. Oh, there we go. Turn my stove up because I want it to fry quickly. Yes, I'm gonna be washing it as well. And while it's doing that, if you want your booty hole to burn, you add that. If you don't, you leave it out. Yeah? Got it. Add a bit of MSG. Just a little. And of course, a bit of salt. Because the butter is already salty, so not too much. That's enough. Black pepper as well. And now you just mix it all up. Let me get this cooking quickly. So what I did was pour in a bit of lime juice. I put the lime juice in here, and I added some honey, just like 2 little drops of honey in here as well. And now you see the garlic is cooked. That means this is ready. I'm gonna throw in the pasta in there. And throw the bacon on top. I chopped up the bacon. I chopped up the bacon. So this is technically a garlicky bacon shrimp pasta dish. Next time I'll make this shrimp scampi and you guys will see it. This looks so good. But does it taste good? That's what this says. Yep. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Look at that. I'm just gonna plate it up now. And there you have it. Some garlicky bacon shrimp pasta. Okay, so he just got back from school and I'm gonna show you guys when I have finished the lunch. Okay. Done. Okay. So he finished the yogurt and the croissant, of course. And now for the main dish. He said, oh, he finished it. Okay, so the mistake, that smells really good as well. The mistake I was talking about, the error that I made was when I was cooking the sauce, the lemon juice, I accidentally put the seeds, I mixed it up with the sauce accidentally, and I went, like, after I packed everything, like, I tasted it was fine, you know, because at the time I didn't really chew the seeds at the time, so I didn't really thought much about it. And then I had some leftover in the pot. After I dropped him off to school, I came home and I was tasting it and I accidentally chewed the lemon seed. I was like, oh my god, that's so bitter. Like, that was the mistake that I made. I squeezed the lemon seed directly into the sauce. So if you're making it, make sure you filter out the seeds from the lemon juice. If you're using lemon juice on yours, the lemon actually helps combat all the fattiness that are, you know, like the oil and butter, it helps combats that. So if you are making it, try to filter out the lemon seeds from the lemon juice. That's what I mean. That's the mistake that I made, that I know I'll never do it again. But I had texted him, I was like, if you can see this, like, do not eat the lemon seeds. It was funny, but I don't know, he texted me after school. He was like, too late, bro, too late. But he figured it out during lunch because he chewed like one seed, and the rest of that, I think he probably threw it away. But other than that, that was it. And I finished the stuff, so it was good. It was good. So that's all that matters. Next time, I know not to squeeze the lemon juice directly into the sauce, and I'll filter out the seeds. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye.